My name is Lejla Buzimkic and I'm a part of quality assurance team based here in Sweden. Quality assurance is what makes Tubus System stand out in the crowd. Our group of 4 makes sure that every product is inspected and approved before delivering the final product. And believe me, it's a lot of movie time. My favorite part of working at Tubus System that we have this strong, supportive culture that allows every individual to out loud express their ideas without feeling insecure. Also that we have a possibility of personal growth, and not just inside our 4 walls, but internationally. And I like the work-life balance also. My best memory working for Tubus System is definitely that I was a part of establishing our vision, Enkel Dag, and it was in that moment I realized it's not just a job anymore, it's a movement. Something fun that people might don't know about me is that I'm a car enthusiast and I dream about buying my mini Leyland from 1970s and restore it on my own in my garage. It would probably be red with white stripes and some muscle under the hood. Real eye-catcher.